Here I am again with my mini houses. Very often, the client purchases products without the possibility of choosing a complete set, with only necessary functionality. We see this problem very well, and we save the client from purchasing unnecessary elements with our mini house. For example, a person has his own building material, and he wants to make his decision based on our concept. The client will not need to break something for which he has already paid. For example, to break out a fixed facade, we offer different configurations. Only a blank, that is, a concrete frame, a roof attached to it, a door and a window on the principle of finish it yourself. The second principle is turnkey, and there is a choice whether the client needs a separate water supply, separate septic tanks and other equipment. Many customers already have this equipment in stock. This all affects the final price. With us, you only pay for what you need.